Do you want to learn AI or do you want to learn AI free of cost? So both the things are different. Today I'm going to teach you about how to learn AI free of cost. And there are wonderful courses with lot of certifications available in the market. First, we'll start with the most known course, which frankly a lot of people don't know about. Let me take you to Google Garage course. So this course is by Google Garage, and what you learn over here is right from the fundamentals of generative AI learning path, what it is about, how generative AI impacts you. It is introduction, large language learning models, what is responsible. Further, it is prompt design in Vertex AI. So Vertex AI is the ground level AI of Google, where Google Gemini AI is based. It's the algorithm how it works. And a lot of people you might not be aware, like Anthropic is Claude AI baseline is your Vertex AI baseline is for Gemini as well as Google Medpalm, and ChatGPT ka baseline is open. This is how what understanding Vertex AI and then applying AI principles to Google Cloud. These are basic courses. Well, there are many courses available from Google Garage which are completely free of cost. You can start with this. Then comes our courses by Microsoft, and this entire course is on GitHub. The best part is it looks a bit of peppy and interesting. So it's not the old fashioned way of say doing a video and then you going through the courses and everything. It's pretty simple. Like you go across what you learn. So there's a mind map. You can go across to the mind map, understand the course mind map. Let's look at so business use cases in AI and business. Then comes classic machine learning, specific ML and cloud framework. You have different content. So lesson like this is like course setup, what all things you need, and the things like introduction to AI, introduction to history of AI, symbolic AI, knowledge representation, what are neural networks. I know it's a lot of things for you right now because being starting out on AI, it is not so easy for you to understand each and everything. But still, I'll take you through couple of areas which you need to understand. So neural networks you need to understand. You need to get into frameworks, computer vision, understand the basic things. You do not need to start doing the coding and everything, but at least understand the basic thing which will help you to learn better things at AI. Not each and every person is going to create an LLM model for themselves. But when somebody is talking about LLM, when somebody is talking about AI, you need to have a basic understanding about what the communication is happening. Otherwise, you are not in this particular world of 2025. Forget it. There are a lot of courses. There are 25 courses you can start doing from the baseline. So getting started, set up how to set up a lesson, what you need to do. Slowly you go. There's a Discord server link where you can queries will be resolved. Then there's what is the curriculum and everything. Now we'll move on to another course. This is to artificial intelligence with Python programming. Now that you have understood LLM, you have understood the baseline about open, about neural networks and coding and everything. Now let's move on to the next step, which is Python. That is the Python language required for anybody to start working in artificial intelligence. You may do this course, you may not do this course, but let me just explain you what this course. There is one session available. So already, so 12 more than a million people have already enrolled for the course, and it starts on Jan 29, which is today that we are doing launching this thing, creating this video, and you will advance your career with certificate. So the course is free, but for the certification you'll have to pay from Harvard. Then comes another by Vanderbilt University. This is on Coursera. It's prompt engineering for ChatGPT. Now, if you are aware or you are not aware, in ChatGPT is a AI. It doesn't know who he is or who she is unless you tell ChatGPT to act like whoever it needs to act like. So ChatGPT needs to be briefed about act like a dietitian with so and so experience and all those things. This is where prompt engineering works. If you just write a content to ChatGPT, it will throw back whatever gets inside. If you want to use ChatGPT like an assistant, then you need to create that into an assistant. This course will teach you to how to make ChatGPT as your assistant and build your subject matter expertise. So you can have a ChatGPT as an expert for 12 different things and start chatting with ChatGPT for those particular experts. This course will teach you those things. Now coming to another course with ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers. Now this course is for developers about how you can create a wrapper app. So the new concept has come up, which you might have also seen. There are a lot of apps been created saying that okay, you can create social media content over here, just write down 2 3 lines and your social media content gets created. What happens in this scenario is there's an overlay of prompt engineering which is done by the developer. You don't need to write a prompt. The developer themselves have written a prompt by default. Whenever you enter something, automatically a prompt gets generated. This course teaches developers about how to create those particular prompt engine or prompts for ChatGPT. This course is available on Deep Learning website. Deep Learning is a website that I will deep dive once for you, because separately, because it's a website where you will get lot of courses on AI and you'll learn a lot of things about AI. Right from whether you're a starter, you are a mid-level, intermediate, advanced, or you are a developer. Oh, Deep Learning is a website that you need to bookmark. Then comes Coursera. This is UC Davis. This is Big Data, Artificial Intelligence, and Ethics. This course is also an interesting course because it focuses on how the big data is helping artificial intelligence to grow, but what is the ethics in this particular entire thing and what you need to understand when it comes to ethics. It work with IBM Watson. So what you learn about natural language programming, examine how AI is used through case studies, and examine and discuss the roles ethics play in AI and big data. And then comes our last part is last course by edX. It is AI application and prompt engineering. Now, in this course, you will learn to create AI applications with prompt engineering. This is basically something like you can create a wrapper app. For example, you want to create a directory where you want to have a forum. And in that forum, you just want people to write one line and automatically article gets generated, automatically a discussion thing gets started. So those are like AI based applications along with prompt engineering. Or you want to create a social media application where people can come down and write 2 3 lines and get tweets created. Let's so get social media content created. You can do multiple things as wrapper apps. There are, and you use tokens from OpenAI to generate. I think there is a huge amount of learning that you have to do, and these are amazing set of courses. I've already started two of these courses. One is the basics from Microsoft, and another is Google Garage. I hope to complete slowly all the courses, but I believe if you really want to grow and buckle up your game in 2025, you need to understand about artificial intelligence. As a LinkedIn coach and as somebody who teaches you about how to get your dream job, artificial intelligence, it's like there was a point in time when you had to learn Microsoft Excel or say Microsoft MSCIT to get a job and to let people know that okay, you understand how to operate computers. Now nobody's asking you questions whether you know how to operate a computer. People are asking question about do you know how to use AI as an assistant and can you use it, and to what extent you can crunch your work to AI and get it. I hope you understood and you got it. If you are still facing some issues understanding how to enroll these courses and how to get a job, do ping me in comments. I'm your coach over here, Moses Gooms. Thanks a lot.